Hello everyone, my name is Andy and we will have a look at the NIKKEI futures on the Oanda platform for Thursday, October 5th. For the record, today is Wednesday, October 4th. Time is around 6 p.m. GMT. So yesterday we were trying to interpret this structure here. So we had a good drop here, and I believe this good drop is actually the Y leg of another Y leg. So I believe in the FTSE, we are doing a wave 4 here. So we made a wave 3 high here. We are doing a wave 4. This is the wave 4 area. So from this area, we should reverse if this is a wave 4. So quite a big area, and therefore we try to analyze here the price action in more detail so we can be more specific about a potential reversal. If you want to have more details about the higher time frame, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. For now, I just focus on this here. So a wave 4 that is playing out as a WXY structure in my opinion. So the wave W played out as a wave WXY. We had a very nice reaction here from this equal leg area. Perfect reaction actually. Then we moved up as a wave X, another corrective structure as an ABC. And so now I believe we are coming down as another WXY. I believe this here was the wave W unfolded as an ABC structure. And so now we had shallow wave X up and we are working on the wave Y in my opinion. So what we can see is that we are here at the reversal area of this wave Y. If we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then this area here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area from where we can start to reverse. We can try to be a bit more specific by analyzing this Y leg. And so, like I told you, I believe this is another WXY structure. And then if we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then here this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area from where we can reverse. As you can see, today we touched it, we went into the area and there is some kind of reaction, but of course, I mean, there is still a possibility. We do not always keep like the perfect equal leg area. There is a possibility to enter this area here. Then if we look at the 1 hour, I did an attempt to analyze this leg here in more detail, and as you can see, there are two scenarios here on my chart, and yeah, to be honest, I do not really favor one over the other. So if you follow me for a while, you should know that I put my primary scenario in green, my secondary scenario in red, unless I say that I do not really prefer one scenario over the other. And this is actually the case right here. So I think there is a chance that our ABC structure is actually situated here. And that would mean that the Y leg can be finished right here, so that the low is in or is almost in. If we look at the 15 minutes, then if I look here at the RSI, I can distinguish like two cycles. I believe this is a cycle, very shallow wave B, and then here we had another cycle. And then if I look here at the waves of the wave C, it could be like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending with divergence. So it could be finished here, or a marginal new low also ending with divergence. That's possible. If we would if we put the ABC structure here, then we also know the reversal area. If we take the length of the wave A, the length of the wave B, then this area here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area from where we can reverse. Like you see, we did not reach it. We came quite close. We did not reach it. So let's see if this is the actual low. Now, like I told you yesterday, if we have a straight line down, this makes it really hard to analyze. And so I can actually be completely wrong about what I'm saying now. And if I'm completely wrong, then I would actually opt for the scenario that this here was just a wave A, as shown in red. This here was just a first impulse. We see some upward price action as a wave B. So that could mean if this was the wave A low, then as a wave B, we could go here into this area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. And then after having this wave B, a wave C should follow, probably deeper than into the wave Y area. So I believe this is a bit how it will play out with the Nikkei. But this is all under the condition, of course, that we are doing a wave 4 here. And yeah, actually, there is not much space left, let's say, for additional corrective structures. So it's a bit now or never for the Nikkei, I would say. Like as soon as we start to break here this this lower boundary of the wave 4 area, it becomes very likely that we are not having a wave 4 anymore, but something way more bearish. But this is something to discuss in the higher time frame analysis. For now, I just focused here on the lower time frame and this structure. So this is my analysis for Thursday, October 5th. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.